What's up guys, Chris Jordan here. Welcome to the video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about campaigns and why they are one of the best things to get people into your bot. So literally, if people don't come to your page and click a get started message, like if they just don't organically come to your page, maybe your page has thousands of likes or hundreds of likes and you always get messages or whatever. If they don't come to your page and just click the get started button, the best way to get people into your bot is by campaigns and comment triggers. So with campaigns allow you to create basically what it says, campaigns to get people into your bot. So Chatmatic, right now they have three campaign types available. It's really only two because these are follow-up messages. But as they add more features, they're going to add these in it as well. I think ManyChat already has these. So those are some benefits to using ManyChat. But Chatmatic, they're always adding features. So if you actually need to use these, you might as well go to ManyChat. If not, then you're better off just sticking with an m.me link or landing page link. I personally use m.me links a lot because it refers you straight to Messenger. With the landing page campaign, it basically allows you to create sort of a mini landing page. So as you see here, if you send people a link, they're going to come to a landing page like this. It's pretty simple. You can add an image as well. I'm not going to add any images right now, but it's pretty simple. And once they come to this this landing page, they'll have the option to press send to Messenger, and a message is going to pop up at the top of their screen in which they could click to Messenger. The reason I use m.me links is because it refers them straight to Messenger, where they could click the get started button and go through that specific campaign. Also, follow-up messages. Follow-up messages is basically a way to keep following up with people. Note, you can only follow up with people, or they have to basically be engaged with your bot at least 24 hours before you send them like a follow-up message trying to sell something or something of that nature. You can always send notifications out, but you only can send notifications out to all your bot subscribers if you're not trying to sell anything. So as you can see here, I'm gonna just type test, and as you see here, you choose an event that will trigger this message. You could trigger by a tag, assign attribute, or subscribes to. I'm just gonna pick FC, and like I said, you only could go up to 24 hours. So that's pretty simple, straight to the point. Like I said, campaigns are one of the best ways to get people into your bot. This is one of the best ways to get people into your bot. I personally use the m.me links the most. You could use a landing page if you want, but all of it's pretty simple, straight to the point. And that's literally one of the best ways to get people into your bot. Also, you can use these type of campaigns on your profile. I've talked about it in another video. Profile funnels, you can use it, m.me or landing page link in your profile. So whenever someone new visits your profile, they click that link and they become a bot subscriber. But that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.